everybody, Jennifer Griswold here. Just want to say thank you for sharing and interacting with that photo I posted of the cold weather trick. Full disclosure, I recreated it. My husband first saw it posted on Reddit, so it wasn't my original concept. I saw a lot of you saying that you wanted to know how to do it because you wanted to do it with your kids. Gotta say, my 5-year-old thought it was a lot of fun to watch it as it was freezing and then to see it finally revealed. I did not sit outside the whole time holding up the noodles because my hand would have been shaking because it was that cold outside. So I fashioned a couple boxes, some shoe boxes, just cut a little hole in there, and you can see the chopsticks are just in there, and then that's holding it up. So yeah, then I just made the ramen, put it out there, put it in the position so that it would be enough hanging to keep it sturdy. And then we let the time elapse. We actually spent about 50 minutes just letting that time pass. Could have done it in a lot shorter amount of time. It was frozen faster than that, but I wanted to make sure it worked, and I was doing other things at the same time. I know some people think all of these are silly, a waste of time, stupid. You know what? Then move along. You don't have to watch them. But if you think they're fun like I do, take a look.
Now, there are a couple different things you can do with bubbles. I've seen where they freeze immediately. That isn't happening. We do have a wind situation a little bit. Now, if we hold it like this, we should be able to see where it actually starts to freeze. Can you see that, Andy? Can you see the bubble still on there?
No.
You can't? Because if you look, you can start to see ice particles starting to form on it, but I don't want to go inside because that's that much warmer in there. But if you look, you can start to see where there are some particles on there. And then, look at that. It breaks apart because it freezes so quickly. My favorite cold weather trick is taking boiling water, tossing it into the air, and watching it evaporate on contact into steam. I will warn you to be careful with this one. You're dealing with boiling water, and it doesn't all necessarily go up. Some can go on you. I've done that before, and so you want to make sure your skin is covered. It should be anyway when you're outside. And this is something that works that much better when it is that much colder outside. Even at 11 below zero, I'm not sure that it'll work fantastically. I've done it before when it was 15 below or colder. It worked pretty well, but be careful with this. Definitely not something you want to do with the kids right there. So this one is as simple as taking some water and boiling it. And then you want to take it outside and toss it into the air. Again, be very careful.
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Now you just toss it again. Don't toss it on yourself. So why I said to be careful, if you saw that some of the water did come down right here, but most of it just became steam immediately and then just evaporated off. So those are some of my favorite cold weather tricks that you can try. Again, if you're trying with the kids, you might want to keep them inside like my husband is right now as you're doing it because it really is that cold outside.